Hi, I'm Mike Evanisco from 888 VoIP. Today we'll be looking at the newly announced and soon to be in stock Yealink SIP T44W. The T44W is brand new to the T4 series from Yealink and includes Wi-Fi built directly into the phone itself, no extra dongles or anything like that. This will provide resellers and service providers with an excellent premium phone option with Wi-Fi capability built directly into the phone. The T44W is positioned between the executive Yealink SIP T54W and the entry-level Yealink SIP T34W. So you now have three options to provide your customers a device with Wi-Fi built directly in. This edition of this model gives our partners a very flexible price point option from Yealink to their customer base. You can provide your customers a good, better, or best option. Now let's open up the Yealink SIP T44W. You can see it comes in your standard Yealink box in the packaging you're used to. The T44 series has these really nice high gloss frames around the screen. Standard color pattern as well. It includes two different bracket spots on this model. You have your USB port for a headset or an expansion module, and your standard headset jacks and networking ports. Comes with your Yealink user guide. Then within here, we have your Ethernet cable that comes included. However, you might be using Wi-Fi on this phone, so that's one of the main feature changes. Your mounting bracket, your handset cord, and then, of course, the handset itself. And this phone uses the Hall switch, unlike your traditional Yealink hook switch. And that's pretty much everything that's in the box itself. Now we can see the Yealink phone is powered up. You can see this model has a really nice, crisp color screen. It has up to 8 line keys, 4 on this side, 4 on this side, and a nice addition of 21 paperless programmable DSS keys, which you can see can be pressed here and will transfer the busy light field very quickly if anyone is actually on the phone. We have your standard soft keys at the bottom that Yealink provides, that if you're familiar with Yealink models, it's the same as every other model that we sell. The Yealink SIP T44W supports dual port gigabit Ethernet to support the phone and a connected computer for those locations that only have a single Ethernet drop. But let's be real, if you're buying this phone, you're buying it for the built-in Wi-Fi capability anyways, so you probably will not be using those ports. Speaking of Wi-Fi, this phone supports dual band Wi-Fi on the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. It supports 802.11, A, B, G, N, and AC. There is no Wi-Fi 6 support yet on this device or any other Yealink phone models. Please note, you cannot use this phone like a wireless bridge, meaning you cannot use Wi-Fi as your main WAN connection and then make use of the PC port on this phone to connect a local computer. That will not work. The SIP T44W supports all the standard Yealink features that you've come to appreciate and love and will be available very soon. To learn more about this phone, please call 888 VoIP at 888-864-7786 or visit our website for more information. Thank you.